Down here we have the main ingredients. We have, oof, how do you even say that? Hyaluronic acid. You know what this actually sounds like? Highly ironic acid. We make ourselves laugh. Okay, that's enough internet for me. Assalamualaikum everyone, yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is featuring another sheet mask. Which one is it this time? It is the V7 toning sheet mask. So here it is. So I'm gonna put this on. We're gonna be playing with apple slime. I actually found slime that comes in apple shaped containers. It's adorable. Whoa, so much juice. It doesn't smell like apples. It smells very perfumey. I don't know what it is with the skincare products and them smelling perfumey. Here it is. Ooh, slimy. Just unfold this. Some people remove the plastic film from this and then apply it to their face. I don't do that. I just apply it first and then remove the plastic. So the plastic side is here. The skin is feeling very dry right here. I don't know what's going on. Ugh. And my eye area, oof, it's acting weird. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, wanna be friends? Where's my mouth? Just my mouth, that's my nose. Let me remove the plastic. Yes, it was me all along. Okay, we play too much. Ooh, it feels cold. Another thing, keep your mouth closed. Oh, all the serum went into my mouth. Okay, where's the nose part? Here it is. Lazy people can also be beautiful. It says it right here. I'm not lying. Look. Let me set the timer. 20 minutes. So while we wait for 20 minutes to finish, in the meantime, let's go play with some apple slime. Follow me. So I was trying to find out what the Windows logo was. Here it is. So I got this right. Red. Oh, okay, I got this wrong. Blue, yellow is supposed to be here, and green is supposed to be here. So I just made a Windows logo using apples. In your face, Apple. Ha! Just kidding. Please don't hurt me. Let's learn colors. Green, yellow, blue, red. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ugh, it's so soft. Really clear. Poking sounds. Yes. The slime is amazing. They all smell like hand sanitizers. No. Next. Yellow slime. Poking sounds. So clear. Is it clear? Dude, it's so clear. Wow. In you go. Next, my favorite color, blue. Poking sounds. Blues. Oh, it's so gorgeous. The slime is super soft, super stretchy. It's so stretchy. Beautiful swirls. In you go. I wish they had like a worm with it or something. Oh, that would be cute. Next. The last one. This is a helicopter apple. Oh, okay. Come back, apple. Poking sounds. Fail. It's not giving me poking sounds. It's so clear. Look how gorgeous that is. So stretchy. It stretches like a dream. Wow. Really pretty. Imprint. Squish. Oh, I'm such a genius. Sometimes I scare myself. Where's the... this is loose. Boo. Zoom out. You. So everyone, these apple slimes are really cute. Very soft. Very stretchy. I got these from the Souk Minara toy shop in Azizia. They're 3 reals each. And these were the only colors available. When you buy them, please don't forget to buy the leaves. An apple a day will keep the doctor away. Doctor, what's his name, will not know what hit him. Yeah. No, please don't hit the doctors. So everyone, we're back from playing the apple slime. There's still some more time left. Let's talk about this sheet mask. Site Alibaba.com that had the information about the product in English. I'm gonna go through this very quickly. This is the Images Moisturizing Nourishing V7 Apple Extract Facial Mask for Female. Okay. And here, if you go down here, yeah, I'll just talk about the main points right here. Lightweight, breathable, crystal cleansing. Yes, this sheet mask is really, really thin. I don't know, compared to like the other ones, yeah. Down here, we have the properties of apple. Contains rich moisturizing essence, skin refreshing, lightweight, breathable, comfortable. Okay, again the same things. And with a splash of water. Yes, it's hydration. Then over here, they're talking about moisturizing, nourishing the skin, and it causing fairness. So this sheet mask helps improve skin, makes skin flawless, glittering, and clear. Glittering? Are we vampires? Apple extract, soft absorption. Multivitamin, vitamin H, B1, B2, B3, B6. You know what it sounds like? Oh, if you know that game Battleship, that's what it sounds like. Then we have yeast. We have yeast in this. Oof. Okay, let me zoom in. Easy to create natural bare pieces. What is this about? Again, talking about moisturizing the skin, beautifying the skin, nourishing the skin. Okay, that's great. Hydrating the skin. Skin is tender and smooth. And then down here we have how to apply this sheet mask. Yes, and please, whenever you are using something new, especially for skincare, do a patch test. Because if you experience any discomfort, please discontinue using that new product. And then here we have the packaging of this sheet mask. Really pretty, right? Okay, and we're done. There are 4 other ones as well, including this one. I got the apple one. The other 3 are orange, kiwi, and strawberry. I got this one because I love the smell of apple, but it doesn't smell like apple at all. Now I'm gonna massage my face for 5 minutes using and any of the excess serum that's inside here. Always apply to your neck and then the rest to your hands. Time's up! This mask is for, of course, hydrating, moisturizing. We read that so many times. It's also for brightening and smoothing out the wrinkles. So let's see if it did that. And then, of course, it says apple, so it's all natural ingredients. See how quickly it absorbed all the excess serum. Oof. My skin is like... Okay, let's take it off. Wah! Ow! So, what do y'all think? Did it hydrate? Did it moisturize? Did it remove the wrinkles? The wrinkles, maybe the superficial ones, but these ones right here, oof, I don't know. And yes, it did brighten my face. It is very sticky. There's a lot of serum in it. I always have sheet masks available because when I use sheet masks, I tend to use a little bit of moisturizer afterwards because that helps me not break out or have any skin issues. So everyone, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon so you're notified of any future videos that I might post. Leave a constructive comment and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. Bye.